I imagined everything for 2025. Okay, कि मेरे ये होना चाहिए. I did not attach myself to it. होगा तो अच्छा है, you know, but भगवान सुनेगा, universe सुनेगा, and everything did actually happen.
One of the last questions for this podcast is that how much do you feel that vibrations in our life actually change the environment of our inner world? Because I'll give you an example. So I was at the gym. I think my generation has also introduced gyms and calisthenics and everything, and it's a beautiful, beautiful addition to these times now.
Yeah.
So while I was at the gym, I mostly work out with my Kaki sa. And while I was with her, she said that, you know, I don't think I can pick this weight up and I can do a shoulder press with it, like a dumbbell shoulder press. So I was like, ki, try doing it and don't say it that I can't do it. But then the number of times that she kind of repeated the fact that I can't do it made me realize that it's very easy for humans to say that I can't do it, because when you say that you can't do it, you've put a full stop to it. When I just like try to visualize it, that you put a full stop to a sentence. Now you are done with it. That you say I can't do it. The moment you say that I can do it, you've put a comma to it, which means there are other things also you can do. So I feel people are so scared of their own potential where they are now like, I can't do it. Just don't let me even get in that arena. But the moment they get to know that I can do it, then they pick up a heavier weight, then they can do it, then there's no stop to it. And maybe there's one weight that you can't pick up for that time being.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I think we deal with it as humans. We are very well at dealing with failure when we know that we are so good at something. But what do you think that is it when we vibrationally, when we take out the words that I can't do it?
Okay. First, we will understand what the vibrations are. ठीक है, vibrations are individual thing. Okay, हर चीज़ की एक vibration होती है, जगह की vibration होती है. So, the best example and the most common thing that we see and everybody can relate is अपन जो घर में पूजा करवाते हैं, पंडितों से जो संस्कृत में उच्चारण करवाते हैं, what is that? That is the repetition of the words.
Okay.
Okay, with some intentions put to it. हमने वर्ड्स लिए, ठीक है, विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ इट. हर वर्ड की एक वाइब्रेशन होती है. वो जब वर्ड बार बार अपन बोलते हैं तो उस एरिया का जो वाइब्रेशन होता है, अगर नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव में बदलता है, अगर ड्रेनिंग है तो फिर बहुत ही बैलेंस होता है, और इट ब्रिंग्स मोर प्रॉस्पेरिटी, अबेंडेंस, इट अट्रैक्ट्स लॉट ऑफ गुड एनर्जी, गुड लक. ओके, इसलिए हम करवाते हैं विद दैट इंटेंशन. ठीक है, उसके रिलीजियस वे में अपन करते हैं, बट इन द एंड इट इज ऑल वाइब्रेशन ओनली.
Absolutely.
ओके, हर एक मंत्र उच्चारण के साथ व्हाट वी आर थिंकिंग इट गोज इन द यूनिवर्स, एंड रिपीटेशन ऑफ इट, यू नो, 1000 टाइम्स और 10,000 टाइम्स जितने भी जप करवाते हैं, इमेजिन दैट अमाउंट ऑफ वाइब्रेशन गोइंग इन द यूनिवर्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वाइब्रेशन. Now imagine you continuously saying negative thing about not just others but yourself. It is going to affect your aura. It is going to affect all your chakras. It is going to affect the energy that you're bringing to home. एक नेगेटिव पर्सन के घर में जाओ आप, जो हमेशा ना करता हो, you will not even tolerate that person for 5 minutes. क्योंकि फॉर नो रीज़न, भले वो आपको अच्छे से बात कर रहा होगा, बट योर बॉडी विल जस्ट नॉट बी कंफर्टेबल अराउंड दैट पर्सन.
So does this also happen that a negative person always attracts negative circumstances, negative
Yes.
situations, and a
अरे.
positive person, you always feel that यार इसके साथ हमेशा लाइफ में सब अच्छा क्यों हो रहा होता है? Not that you know the whole
हाँ,
picture, of
yeah,
course that
exactly.
is one stands to it, but also that I have seen a lot of people attracting positivity.
You know, there is a chain that goes on. कभी कभी इफ यू सी कि यार आज एक बच्चा बीमार हो रहा है, फिर हस्बैंड बीमार हो रहा है, बीवी बीमार हो रही है, देयर इज दिस मेडिकल साइकिल दैट स्टार्ट्स गोइंग ऑन.
Yes, I've seen this a lot in a
Yes.
lot of families.
एंड इट स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग. अपन को लगता है क्या हुआ है, टुक गए हैं अपन. द फैमिली, यू नो, जस्ट केम फ्रॉम अ ब्यूटीफुल मैरिज और अ ब्यूटीफुल वेकेशन, वी पोस्टेड द पिक्चर्स, नजर लग गई, एंड आई बिलीव in evil eye.
Oh, I believe in evil eye a lot.
Yeah, and I know कि people with a good intention also,
Yeah.
without, you know, meaning
Comparison
to,
हो ही जाता है,
हो ही जाता है, तो अपन टुक जाते हैं. Okay, so we try to break that. What do we do? अपन नजर उतारते हैं. What is नजर उतारना? Taking the salt taking the chili. क्या होता है? ये सब चीजें एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो नेगेटिविटी एब्जॉर्ब करता है. Making it clockwise, anti-clockwise. What is it doing? It is cleaning your aura, your energy. कि जिसकी भी बुरी नजर या has affected your aura, your chakras, we are cleaning that.
Correct.
It is the most basic practice we've been doing since ages.
Absolutely, and the science behind it is beautiful.
Behind it is beautiful.
Yeah.
You are doing it without knowing it, but it is working. So imagine if you are very aware and consciously start doing it in both the ways. Forget evil eye utarna, but in the good things also. That नहीं हो जाएगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? I imagined everything for 2025. Okay, कि मेरे ये होना चाहिए. I did not attach myself to it. होगा तो अच्छा है, but भगवान सुनेगा, universe सुनेगा. And everything did actually happen.
Yeah.
I wanted कि मैं किसी दिन पुलिस वालों को meditation करवाऊँ because they do so much. They take so much of pressure. They do day in day out
dealing
duties.
with so many people.
Yeah, because I have seen it so up close in person with my dad serving, in that service. So I know the amount of, adjustment and compromises that, he had to do, we had to do. So it is important for them also to get that break. तो मेरा intention बस ये था that I want to give that 1 hour to them. It happened. Universe made it happen. वो चाहते तो नहीं होता. वो idea ही नहीं आता मुझे.
Correct.
I did not make anything out of it. I just wanted to, maybe have few people sit and reconnect with themselves. Just have, make them have a good day. एक खुद के साथ ही टाइम बिता लेना पुलिस वालों या the people who are serving for the country. वो भी उनके लिए is like a good break.
Correct.
So I wanted to do that, and when universe sees that what are the intentions, what कितना मन से आपने चाहा है, तो वो align होता ही होता है.
Correct.
For that you need to have a very strong crown chakra. So the crown chakra is the one that connects us with the universe. आप कोई dream करते हो, wishes करते हो, वो करते हो, तो वो पहुंचाता है.
Okay.
But with the sincerity, not with the doubt in it.
Yes.
Please दे देना, पर क्या पता आप नहीं सुन रहे हो.
Scarcity mindset.
Yes. So वो नहीं होना चाहिए. If you and delusional नहीं होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे में इतना capacity नहीं है करने का और मैं मांग रही हूँ.
मतलब you're unworthy of it right now. Your version is not worthy of it, but you're asking for the stars.
Yes.
Yeah.
So crown chakra monitors that. Okay. Then comes for our focus. We do have Ajna chakra. The third eye.
Most famous chakra.
Yes, it helps you, build your confidence. It helps you come to the focus. हमको जब cold होता है, it gets affected. It regulates the, आपका thinking process भी, आपका focus भी, आपका sinus वगैरह भी. If somebody is having sinus or migraine, this chakra gets affected, including the other chakras that we have. Then comes our throat chakra. It is placed here on the throat. आपका oratory skills अच्छा करता है वो. आप कैसे बोल रहे हो, how your words are not taken negatively, वो भी फर्क पड़ता है ना. How I'm speaking to someone, what if somebody gets offended. So अगर किसी का throat chakra is balanced, these things do not happen with them. Okay, then comes our heart chakra. It is placed in front and back, but उसको हम लोग पीछे से ही we take care of it. क्योंकि आगे से it is believed that if we heal it from the front, तो heart attacks वगैरह हो सकते हैं. So one has to be very aware about the chakras when you go for healing and everything. Then comes our solar plexus chakra, which is the master chakra. It is responsible
The solar
for
plexus is here.
here
Got
and
it.
here.
Got it.
Okay, it is like your big garbage can, you can call it. Who has the capacity to take it all in, and who has the capacity to protect you, guide you, and just keep hinting you, giving you the best of the advices silently. Then comes your navel chakra, and which is responsible for your nervous system.
Just a quick question: does the solar chakra get energized with the sun? Because I feel very, very energized when the solar plexus, the color is yellow, and when I'm out in the sun, I feel really good. Because I feel like my solar plexus is getting energized and activated more.
Not just solar, everything.
Oh, with the sun?
Yeah, everything. Your aura also gets cleansed when we sit in the sun. But how much are you sitting in the sun, that also
I mean,
matters.
there's something about nature that I love,
Yeah.
and I feel it's something related to the chakras.
Mm.
My
Now-
chakras love nature, I feel,
They
genuinely.
do. That is why, you know, when we go out, we step out and we just silently, quietly lie down. They all, you know, these nature, grass, trees just soak up all our negativity.
Yeah.
They do. But आपका intention वही होना चाहिए. You need to request it that please, you know,
Do it, yeah.
do it.
Vibrations.
Vibrations.
Yeah, and you were talking about the root
And
chakra.
and then comes the basic chakra.
The basic
The
chakra.
basic chakra is again is my favorite chakra. It talks about the ones who procrastinate,
Oh,
who are
nice.
yeah, जो lazy होते हैं, who think a lot. Okay, I'll just give you an example. Now the crown chakra, आप ऐसे लोग मिलोगे ना, कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं who are very good with the ideas. मेरे पास ये plan है, ये plan है, ये plan है, वो plan है. They have a very healthy crown, forehead and ajna chakra, very healthy. But उनका basic chakra बहुत depleted है.
Okay.
So those people are always failing to execute it. The procrastinators. बेचारे करने की कोशिश भी करते हैं ना, तो इतनी दिक्कतें आती है उनको that they give up also very
Yeah.
easily. They don't have the fighting spirit. And when the chakra, especially the basic chakra, or when the crown chakra is also depleted or is overwhelmed, तब भी we see that, you know, there are cases like suicide, the people with the suicidal intentions. वैसे लोग भी हम इन चक्रों के imbalance से we can figure out. Suppose, you know, somebody is very giving, okay, बहुत भोला है, जो बस देना जानता है, but people misuse them. वो भी we can figure out with their imbalance in the chakras. So the chakras are like, you know, the book to know you.
What is that one thing that you would want to leave Gen Z with regarding their own power?
I think it is very basic, but is very powerful. Your energy and time. Value both these elements of your life. Don't waste your energy on the people who do not value you, who you feel they drain you, who do not bring anything good in your life. Forget sharing part, but not even good thing in your life. And time. Value your time. How much, where you are investing it. Because this you will never get back. So, you know, you have to have a vision कि मैं इससे ज़्यादा टाइम इस चीज़ को नहीं दूंगा. Okay? So, अगर इसका outcome favorable होगा, तो I will go ahead. Otherwise, I will not waste further time with, you know, going on and on and on about it. Okay? So, you need to learn to snap out of it quickly. You need to value and respect your time. And make sure that अगर आपने 5 मिनट भी कहीं पे बिताए हैं, you do not regret it. And if you are regretting it, take a lesson from it. Okay, so value these two things in your life. Both are not coming back.
Correct.
A day wasted, a time wasted, energy wasted.
Thank you so much. That makes so much sense.
वरना तो फिर हमेशा स्ट्रेस में ही रह जाओगे, people pleasing ही करते रह जाओगे. What version of you somebody else sees should not affect you till you are doing everything right, which your conscience is telling you, नहीं यार, अपन ने ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. Until unless it is something really criminal or very toxic, that is separate thing. Okay, but I think कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे भी conscious आपको रोकता है. You choose to silent it, that is different thing. But otherwise, yes, you learn to take a step back. कि मैं इससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं.
Because I've seen the most spiritual people I've met, they're so cool in their life. They don't take you seriously. They don't take themselves seriously. They're just enjoying.
They're just happy.
They're very happy people.
So they're not having fun. They're happy.
Like their definition of fun is being happy in their own
Yes.
ways. They're chilling life.
They are very happy. They have accepted. ठीक है भाई, you know, क्या कर
Chill.
सकते हैं?
Yeah,
हाँ,
very
ठीक है.
very happy in
Very
themselves.
happy.
Yeah.
मन का हो तो अच्छा है, मन का ना हो तो भी
बहुत अच्छा
है.
Correct.
That way.
All right. And do you think that we doubt ourselves for no reason at all?
Yes.
Got it.
Suppose this is the energy. Okay, ये मेरी energy जा रही है यूनिवर्स में. उसमें मैं मेरा डाउट डाल रही हूँ, फियर डाल रही हूँ, तो वो वाइब्रेशन इफेक्ट हो जाती है, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाती है. एक अपन रस्सी को जगह जगह से काट दोगे तो क्या होगा, उसका स्ट्रेंथ लूज होगा ना. बोला कर लूँगा, हो जाएगा. अपने आप को डिल्यूजनल मत बनाओ, प्रैक्टिकल रहो. इफ़ यू आर आस्किंग फॉर सपोज फॉर्च्यूनर फॉर द for your car from the universe, भगवान बोलेगा ठीक है, क्योंकि तेरे में इतनी कैपेसिटी है, तू इतना काम कर लेगा, तो मैं आई विल ब्लेस यू विद योर विशेस. इफ यू आर प्रेइंग फॉर पोर्शे, ओके, फिर भगवान आपको ऐसी ऐसी सिचुएशंस में डालेगा वेयर यू हैव टू लर्न टू फाइट टू गेट टू दैट पॉइंट.
Absolutely correct.
Okay, you wanted it, now I'm putting you on that path which will make you reach to the Porsche. तो तुम जाओ, चलो. I have given you the resources, I have given you the opportunity, now walk on it.
Absolutely correct.
नहीं, वो तो नहीं करना है, तो फिर then don't blame the divine and the universe for
Yeah.
not listening to you. अगर आपको एक जॉब से निकाला गया है, maybe that is the way. Realignment ना. You had to leave the job, और situation ऐसी आ गई कि आपको छोड़ना पड़ा है. Maybe then you're not meant to do a job. Start a business. Or maybe go out, explore the options. You will reach somewhere.
Correct.
Giving up is an option for you, then don't ask for the fancy things in life. If you do not have it in you to make it happen for yourself.
Correct.
खुद के लिए नहीं करोगे तो किसके लिए करोगे?
Continue to talk to me if you understood that I'm not ready to do the inner work.
To a certain extent, yes.
You would.
Yes. See, sometimes it is very difficult for that person to come out of it. The person that somebody has experienced. कभी-कभी लाइफ के ऐसे मौके होते हैं, माहौल होता है, सिचुएशंस होती हैं जो इंसान को उस स्टेज पे पहुंचा देती है दैट दे आर लिसनिंग थिंग्स बट नॉट टू प्रैक्टिस इट. दे आर जस्ट हाँ ठीक है, ये भी एक
That numbness is a very dangerous phase of life.
So हाँ, if you are important to me, I will.
I feel numbness में nature has helped me a lot.
Yes.
I feel very much alive when I'm
And
around
I
nature.
don't give up on people.
That's even my trait. I don't
Yeah,
like.
I don't hold it against them or me if my healing doesn't work on them.
Correct.
I don't question it. I think that maybe my job was till here only.
Correct. Like what I think somewhere where we resonate is that I don't enter a lot of people's lives. I
Yeah.
keep them at a distance. But once my soul says
Yes.
that I resonate with them, I don't want to give up on them.
Yeah. That,
I would
that
want
is the,
never
that is,
to
that
give
is
up on
beautiful thing ना,
Yeah.
कि हम उतना ही चीज अपने जीवन में लेकर आ सकते हैं जितना अपन दे सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
अगर आप बहुत सारे लोगों को इनवाइट करके रखोगे अपनी लाइफ में, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू गिव दैट टाइम एंड एनर्जी टू ईच एंड एवरीवन. यू हैव टू गिव एक्सप्लेनेशंस टू एवरीवन. यू हैव टू कीप देम हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम. नहीं, दैट मीन्स यू आर जस्ट हैविंग देम फॉर मे बी सम पर्सनल यूज.
Correct.
A few things that I believe in. मुझे लगता है हर एक बीइंग एक किसी कोर से बना है. Some are born empath, some are born loving souls, some are born kind. Okay, so that core is tested. Suppose if you are an empath, मैं बार बार आपको उसी सिचुएशन में डालूंगा where you will question यार what is this, why people trick me all the time.
Nice.
But are you ready to give up on that? That is the choice you make.
That's a very good perspective.
Yeah, I am a person that believe in love. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I feel that I can keep pouring love. But it gets tested. Yeah, did I pour that much of love in the wrong person's life? And not just relationship, in the friendship also.
Absolutely.
In my child also.
Correct.
In all the kind of relationships, चाहे वो mother daughter का है, father daughter का है.
That's an amazing perspective.
है ना? But it gets tested again and again, only to make you stronger. Just remember that. And ऐसा नहीं सिर्फ अच्छी चीज़ें ही हैं किसी के कोर में. किसी के कोर में बहुत evil चीज़ भी होती हैं. They are born evil. कितना भी वो बेचारे अच्छा करने की कोशिश करें, पर उनको खपत रहती है कि कुछ करना है मुझे. It doesn't come out nice. It does not bring the best out of them. But that is how they are. They are the one, testing us.
Yes.
They
Absolutely.
are the elements that, God has given us.
Yes, absolutely.
Where there are roses, there are thorns.
Correct. Absolutely correct.
So, you need to see life कि हम यहाँ पे experience करने आए हैं. We should be very mindful about the people you sit with. You should be mindful about what you say about yourself and others. Because a word against you ना, एक abusive word भी मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, it goes in my karmic bank. मुझे पता होगा फिर कि मेरे को इस चीज़ का सफ़र होना ही होना है आगे पीछे. I am that aware. So I use few things very to the extreme level कि कुछ बहुत ही गलत होता है, only then I will go to that extent. Otherwise I will reserve myself. No, I don't want my karmic bank, because उसका सफर फिर कहीं ना कहीं आपकी next generation को करना ही पड़ता है, if not you.
And I feel when it comes to karma, more than getting fearful about it, you should be aware about it.
Aware
that
about
something
it.
that exists like this.
Yes.
I'll do my own intentionally. I'll do everything
हाँ.
nicely. Because I feel karma is this word that people are scared of.
Yes.
I think you should be happy when people say कि एक दिन तुम्हारा कर्म तुम्हें मिलेगा.
मिलेगा.
You should be happy about it.
I'll tell you one
scared of
very interesting perspective. Okay, it is my own observation.
Absolutely.
That okay, if a husband doesn't treat right to the wife, I feel that they are given with a child that they are very much attached with, very much. And then when the child suffers, they also suffer. How they made the wife, or the opposite also, if the wife is making the man suffer. तो वो suffering आपको किस रूप में मिलेगी ना, that you don't know.
Yeah.
So be mindful, be very very aware कि हर चीज आपको यहीं पर ही भुगत के जाना है. This is the circle of life. There is no reason for you to hang out on the earth for 70, 80 years. Till you are done with your goods and the bads, you are not going anywhere.
Correct. Absolutely.